guys, welcome to my YouTube channel of Hair Zipper, and I'm by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master, and today I'm going to show you how you can play passion twist. So I would want you to follow me each step by step so that we get to learn how we can do this together. Don't forget to subscribe to be the first person that watch this. Here we go. Yes. Cutting dance. Hello. Yeah. This is it. So I'm going to be showing you how you can play passion twist. As I know everyone was waiting for this, and this is the high time for you to take each step to watch what I'm going to be doing here to show you how you can play passion twist. And I want to show you, you may ask yourself like, what am I using here? But this is a molding gel. It's the gel that I'm using for the hair, so that it makes the hair like it makes it is good in that it helps you to collect all the hair, so that you can't leave others. So after applying it, I want you to see very carefully, like I divide it into 3 parts, and this is how I played it, just like this. Yes. And when I'm done with that, I just tie there so that when I'm going to twist, it doesn't come out. So I always start with 3s. It's because it lasts longer, and just in case I want to lock my hair, it's very easy for me to lock it. So it's very good to start with 3s, as though you can see, because when you start with twist, it can be hard for you like to lock it. And when you try to see my client, her hair it's more straight, so I'm trying to apply the gel so that the work can come out very nicely, as you can see. Yes, I'm applying the gel very slowly, so that you can see. And another thing here, you just have to make sure that your lines are very neat. When you're cutting the lines, please make sure they're very neat, because what gives you the beauty of your braiding. And another thing here that is very dangerous and that you should be careful with is when you're plaiting, please make sure that you see the baby hair very well. And whenever you see the baby hair, try to leave it. Please don't add the baby hair while plaiting. You try to leave it aside, because when you plait with the baby hair, it will make your client it will make your client feel pain. That's why I don't advise you to hold the baby hair too. So please make sure you don't do it. And for the lines, please make sure your lines are as neat as possible, because seriously, it will come out very nicely as long as when your lines are very nice. So this is how I keep doing the passion twist, and whenever I do it like that, starting the 3s down and then we start the twisting, it gives me another chance of my client to come back, and maybe we can wash it, and when we're done washing, we can lock it and we do something like we have prepared. So this is how it is done. And I told you, here at Hair Zipper we work as a team. Yes, we work as a team. So I be braiding, like I start and my colleagues they finish the twisting. You can see how she's good. Yes, you can see how she's good. She's pretty, and the way she's finishing, you can see how it's not like we played it like the normal twist like we always played. You just have to put some tricks, like after plating it down you have to turn your hand so that you can plait it from up. So when you plait it from up, it helps your hair to the twist to become very soft. And this is it. This is how we do it. So I call upon everyone, please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and please try to follow us on our social medias. We are there for you, and we're going to keep on doing this every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday we shall be I will be teaching you how you can style your hair, how you can style different types of crochets and your own hair. So don't miss out on that also. So I keep on doing that, as you can see, so that we finish our passion twist. So keep subscribing. Shout out to my good friend Jeanette, my good friend Lillian. Thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper, and we love you so much. Big up to yourself. Thank you for subscribing our channel, and we shall keep updating you all the types of hair.
Yeah, it's Boris the Hair Zipper, the crochet master.
Yes. Yep. So when I'm done, you can see, like after applying the oil, so I'm holding my puff, and remember I left my baby hair out, so I'm going to try to make it the way you're saying, right? Yep, here we're good to go. So when I'm done with that, you can see how she looks like. It's coming out. So don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and please make sure you tell all your friends so that we can all share the ideas. And any question that you would want to ask, just WhatsApp me, or just leave a comment down, and we can do this together. I love you so much, and thank you for supporting Hair Zipper. I sign out.